Hi, this is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper, and I want to answer a question that many of you have been writing into me about, and that is, what type of glue do you use? Now, it's always in my videos, but I'm going to explain today what glue I use so that you can use it too. My favorite glue is Romans. The number one reason I use the glue is because it's all over the place. You can get it practically anywhere, especially at Sherwin-Williams or your favorite paint store. And you can get it online if you live in an area where they don't sell it near you. The second reason why I use it is because this glue comes in 5-gallon containers. As opposed to the glue that you might be able to get at Home Depot or Lowe's that only comes in a quart bottle, and it's really not designed for commercial wool covering anyway. This wallpaper glue can be used for residential wall covering and commercial. It's called Romans Heavy Duty Clear Strippable Glue. Now this happens to be Romans 838, but there's another one called Romans 880. One of them is a little different, but both of them can be used for practically the same application. And I use them interchangeably. If I have to use it on a thinner wallpaper, I sometimes thin out the glue. And so I will just add a little water. But it's a versatile product. And like I said, you can find it just about any paint